Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, makeup, hair, hauls, tools, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join the family, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it. I like to thank you so much for my returning supporters. I love you guys. Thank you a lot for coming back and support me. Today's video is our first Boxycharm Base box for the year of 2022. We have some amazing product here, and with the product on this box I created this look, and as we talk about each one of the product, I'm gonna put a little video on the side trying the product so you guys can see how it perform and how beautiful it is. And if you don't know what Boxycharm it is, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that for a small amount of money you get a box in the mail every month, and you also have the choice of premium. And the base box come with 5 full-size products with amazing brands and awesome products, and the premium box come with 6 products. January Boxycharm theme is Box Refresh. So the first product here was one of my favorite, is the Wonder Beauty Escape eyeshadow palette. That's the eyeshadow palette right here. It's gorgeous, and I'm gonna open so you guys can see all the shades. That's amazing. Featuring hyaluronic acid to help the skin retain moisture and replenish seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. This palette includes a mix of neutral and bold colors with shimmery and satin and matte finish that are crease proof for all day wear. This definitely is amazing formula. The formula is so beautiful. You guys can see I'm wearing a green here, and this one here is a transition shade. It's gorgeous, and this palette retails for $42. It's a great palette, so definitely is worth the money. So the eyeshadow formula, it's so high pigmented, and the shimmery shade, it's amazing. It go on the skin like butter. Amazing. I loved it. Definitely was one of my favorites. I have 2 favorites on this box. Actually, this box was amazing. How the product is amazing, but this and the contour palette was my 2 favorites. And our next product here, yes, this palette is going to be the Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit. That's what look outside. That's how the shades look. It's a little messy because I used today. This kit contains 6 blendable silky cream that's designed to accentuate, define, and highlight your face, 3 contour shades for sculpting and highlights, and 3 highlight creams to enhance your face favorite feature. These kits include removable and refillable pen and package in a travel-friendly mirror palette, special formulated to fair to dark skin tones, and this palette retails for $42. And the shades here are gorgeous, so I use this one here, and I think I use this one here too. Yes, I use these 2 shades today for my concealer and highlights and the contour. It's beautiful. It works so smooth on the skin. It's really beautiful. Gorgeous palette. Definitely, it's something that if you don't have on your makeup kit, that's something that's definitely would worth to get it. And this beauty here retails for $40. Great price for amazing 6 product. Definitely. And I love the refillable pen because, you know, if you really love your palette and one of them you use more than another finish, you can go and get yourself another one and make your palette like new. So yeah, love this. The next product here is gonna be Earth Harbor Naturals. This is this little guy right here. Earth Harbor Naturals NYMPH Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. Sear fruit and a tropical super berry. Playful melt across your face. With this balm, they insert lively abundance of vitamin C, A, and E, and key omegas, amino acids, and the number of other bioactive necessary for achieve your best bounciest dewy skin yet. and this beauty here retails for $38. Oh my god, this feels so good on the skin. I love me a good balm, and this definitely hit the spot for me. And this you can use like before you go to bed as a mask. You can put all over your face and go to bed, because if melt on your skin, buttery, just so beautiful. Or you can just put on for like 10 minutes, and if you want, and if you can apply makeup or so, you can just wipe a little bit off and you're good to go. But it is amazing, leave the skin glowing and look fabulous. The next product here is going to be one of my favorite, is the Per Supercharge Mascara. Per fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. The full charged mascara is powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positive charge elastic veil around each lash, instantaneously lift and separate and define for an unappealed performance. Fortified with a specialized blend of ingredients such as nourishing vitamin B, this mascara helps condition and strengthening eyelashes to help prevent premature lash loss. And this beauty here retails for $22. Is a beautiful mascara I'm using today. Look how beautiful this mascara is, and this gives you such a beautiful lashes. Love it. And the next and last product here, last but not least, this is Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner and Sharpener. Oh yeah, show you guys. One thing that I love, so here is the lip case, and here is the one thing that I love is the size of this lip liner. It's so big. This is gonna last you forever, you know, especially that since we don't use only one lip liner every day, we have many different ones. This is gonna last a long time. And I also love that actually come with a sharpener. I don't know how many sharpener I have. I always end up losing. The pencil is gorgeous. I end up loving this shade. Very beautiful actually. Contour, reshape and create your ultimate lip fancy with this extra long pencil, extra moisturizing and hydrating formula to serve fuller lips, needle free. Keep your lip job liner on a point with this single blade Dragon Beauty logo sharpness. And this beauty here retails for $18. For the size of this pencil, it definitely worth your $18. I would buy every shade because I know this is gonna last a long time. Plus I would have a collection of pencils. Yes. Alright, so and this was the last product for this Boxy Refresh January Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed. And we have the Boxycharm Premium that's coming up in a couple of days. I have to work on for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you didn't subscribe yet, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed. And I see you guys next video. Bye.